Hi! In front of me is LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Lenovo. First of all, you need to find an app called Files, and when you find it, click on it. Then select Clean over here on the left above Browse section. Following that, click on Clean under Junk Files. And last but not least, tap on Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my Lenovo was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!